Gaki Yoda Yoda Waka and Gaki Claire. I'm a very proud Yoda Yoda woman. My name is Claire and my totem is the long-necked turtle. I'm a proud member of the Women on Board's Cultural Diversity Committee. I've been on the committee since 2021 when I was asked to be on the committee. Basically, we're focused on making sure that we have a little bit of everyone in the Women on Board's Cultural Diversity Committee. So making sure that we celebrate different cultural events, that we talk about inclusion in an authentic way, that we talk about diversity in an authentic way, that we advocate for other women to ensure that we all have a voice and we have roles on boards to make sure it's not just all white, male, stale environments, and that they are culturally safe and psychologically safe for people who are different in gender or in cultural background. The most memorable event was when Dr. Isabel Phillips and I talked about diversity and inclusion and unconscious bias in a seminar we ran. And not only is she a deadly, absolutely deadly PhD expert in neuroscience, but we had that juicy conversation about how to have difficult conversations, how to make the prefrontal cortex work, and how to make sure that you give yourself space to stand up for yourself, how to be assertive, and how to also make sure that you change the temperature of a room to benefit yourself and also to de-risk yourself, and also to take charge of that conversation in a safe way for you and the person that you're talking to. Firstly, we're all women, so who runs the world? Secondly, we are all from different backgrounds, which is amazing. So we'll have different opinions. We bring that diversity of thought. Because of the diversity of thought, we have very robust conversations, but within a safe environment. It is absolutely normal for us to call out something we don't agree with or to challenge a view that's within that. We obviously do it in a respectful manner, but we do that in order to make sure that we achieve things for women who wish to be on boards. We're here to advocate for women who wish to be on boards. So that's what we do, that's what we're about. I've had a lot of women on board people reach out to me and say that the seminars are great, or conversely ask how I've been on boards. I was on boards before I was on this committee, but I'm here to advocate and make sure that First Nations women, women from different backgrounds are definitely included in boards because it makes them risk-free or less risky in terms of cultural capability or lack thereof. It ensures that they have diversity of thought. It makes them deliver better. It makes them give better outcomes for their stakeholders and for the people that they serve. So shout out to all my deadly titters out there who are killing it, doing us proud, trying to get on boards or are on boards. Keep going. Don't give up. You are stronger than this, more resilient than you know.